There are many ways to ruffle fabric, but let's talk about two of them. For both, we will prepare a fabric by folding it in half and pressing it. For the first method, we will be using a sewing machine. You want to have a looser sewing tension and a longer stitch length. Make sure to play around with this because different fabrics will behave differently. I actually think this method works the best with lighter fabrics. Once you're done sewing, you're going to want to take the top thread and pull it as you gather all of the fabric towards the middle. Now, if this gave you a bit of trouble, there's another way. This time you take out a needle and thread and you do a basic stitch along the side of your fabric. I like to ruffle as you go, but you can always pull it at the end. I also recommend for you to use your machine to sew everything into place once you're happy with how the ruffle looks.